As a parent, how do you help your children develop important skills that prepare them for the future? Meet Dash and Dot.
Hey!
Fun, easy-to-use, interactive robots that teach kids about programming with hands-on play. Dash and Dot are ready to play right out of the box and can be programmed with our free apps for your phone or tablet. Kids start learning right away with an easy-to-follow tutorial and hundreds of preloaded missions. Dot can be programmed on its own as a quirky magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Or a hot potato. Dash can do even more. He can dance, race around the house, respond to objects and sounds, and record your child's voice for a fun surprise.
Watch out, Mom, I'm coming through.
Dash and Dot will fuel your child's natural curiosity. They'll love programming new adventures for their robot sidekicks. They can play hide and seek, set up challenging courses, or go head-to-head for a thrilling race. You'll be surprised at their creativity and innovation. With lots of great add-on accessories for your Dash or Dot, there are endless ways for your child to explore and problem solve, all while having fun. Wonder Workshop robots and apps are designed to grow with your child, allowing them to apply what they've learned and expand their capabilities.
Are you serious?
Wonder Workshop, inspiring the brightest minds of tomorrow.
Okay.
Anki Overdrive.
What does driving the future look like? It looks like a state-of-the-art optical sensor, scanning invisible code 500 times each second. It looks like artificial intelligence, equipped with advanced weaponry, designed specifically to stop you. And it looks like your rad dad with his iPad, taking you out. Once again, Anki Overdrive. Drive the future.
Hey, let's try this. Whoa.